which means that it is obligate parasite, if you will. It's not necessarily a parasite, as it more is a mutualistic and potentially beneficial relationship between the symbiont of Wolbachia and the male mosquito. When we have our mosquitoes that are infected with this Wolbachia bacteria, when we release the males that carry it, when they mate with the females that do not, or they mate with a female that has a different strain of Wolbachia, the eggs that she lays do not hatch because the egg cannot be properly fertilized by the male sperm. If it's switched, if the female has Wolbachia and the male doesn't, the offspring live just fine. The female passes on the Wolbachia to her eggs and her offspring, and then those young would all have Wolbachia. So that's why we release the males, because if we release females, one, they bite people, and two, which would be a really hard sell for people that we're releasing biting mosquitoes, that yes. And then we release the males because they're the ones that actually cut off the population by killing the eggs, or not allowing them to fertilize. So that's more or less the main mechanism of Wolbachia. There are many different strains of Wolbachia. Wolbachia was first found in Culex pipiens early in the 20th century, and so we can artificially infect different strains of Wolbachia into different species of mosquitoes and change up the strains so that we can essentially reduce the population in many different strains or species of mosquitoes using different strains of Wolbachia.